Hey everybody, this is a quick video to help you if you have a Miele brand tumble dryer and you're getting an error F99. So what is this error and what can we do to get rid of it? So first of all, the F99 error, if you're getting this error, your machine should not be working at all. It should just become disabled and it won't work. And there is some kind of an anomaly within the machine that is preventing it from working, and you're almost certainly going to need to call a technician to come out and fix it. But before you do that, I highly recommend that you just try to do a hard restart on the machine to see if that doesn't clear this error out. So in order to do that hard restart, all you need to do is come in, turn the machine off, and then you're going to unplug it from the wall or turn it off at the circuit if it's hardwired. Just make sure it's completely disconnected from power. And you're going to want to leave it like that for a full minute. Once that minute's up, you can restore power, turn it back on, and see if you can't run a cycle without the error coming back. And hopefully it won't come back. If it does, you're probably going to need to call a technician for this one. But anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.